Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the fourth part of ninth chapter boxes and sketches of class 5 subject mathematics. Let's start the class. Now come to today's topic. So today's topic is puzzle. So this is completely based on the dice. So here we have a dice and some questions based on this dice. So at first let's read it. So this cutout is folded to make a cube. Okay, as you all know about cube. If you don't know about cube, so you can watch the previous videos, part 1, part 2. There I have defined what is a cube. And now let's see this cutout, that the front face is showing 1, then the second face is showing 2, its top face is showing 3, then next face is 6, the next 5, and down face here we have 4. So using this pattern we have to make a cube. And one question is here, which of these are correct deep drawings of that cube? So first we have to make a cube, and that after that we have to find that from these options, means option A, B, C, D and E, which are the correct deep drawings. So deep drawing means yes, 3D designs. So which are the 3D designs of that cube? So let's know it. Here I have made a cutout of a cube using a square sheet of a paper. So you can see in the first phase I have taken 1, then in the next phase I have taken 2, and upside of 2 is 3, then right face of 2 is 6, then next face of 6 is 5, and down face of 5 is 4. And this format, this pattern I have used to make a cube. You can see here I have made this cube, and let's check that this format is followed in this cube or not. So first face is 1, so here is 1, the next face means its right face should be 2, so right side you can see I have 2, then next is 6, so here I have taken 6, the next is 5, yes 5, then downside of 5 here is 4, so yes here we have also 4, and next upside of 2 it should be 3, so here is 2 and its upper face is 3, so yes, this pattern is completely followed in this cube. So it is very important when you are making a cube, so use this pattern. Okay, now we have some questions for the practice. So in the first question, means total we have 5 options, and we have to check that which faces, means which options are correct pattern of a cube or not. So at the first, here is on the top 2, left face has 3 and right face is 1. So come to the 2 first. So on the top here we have 2, and now we have to arrange that its left face should be 3. Okay, so on the top here is 2 and left face is 3, and right face it is saying that it should be 1. So yes, the option 1 will be correct. Now the second option is saying that on the top there is a 1. Okay, 1 we have taken, then left face is 3. Okay, left face is 3 and right there should be 2. So you can see left is 3 but right is not 2, it is 5. So option B is completely wrong. Now come to the next option. It is saying that the top is 6, left face is 5 and right should be 2. So let's check it. On the top we have 6, left face here is 5, but right face it is not 2, it is 3. Okay, so option C is also wrong. And there is one more rule that you can, by using that rule you can check that opposite makes 7 in a standard dice. So 5, if 5 will be on left side and 2 will be on right side, so 5 and 2 they are making 7. So that numbers should be in their opposite faces. If 5 is here, so its opposite face is this. So here should be 2 and here it is. Not in the right face or left face there should be 7. No, that is wrong. Okay, that is not applying a standard dice. Now next is D number. So top should be 4. So let's find out 4. Okay, 4. Then left face is 1. Okay, let's arrange it. And right face should be 5. So yes, on the top we have 4, left is 1, and right face it has 5. Now the next question that we have, on the top it should be 6. Okay, and the left face have 3. Okay, 3, and right should be 2. So you can see top is 6, left is 3, and right here is 2. So in this way we found that option A, D and E are the correct answers. Means these are the faces of a cube. So in this way the dice puzzle is also completed. I hope that you have very well understand it. Now see you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.